Hi, my name is Kai from Enscape. Today I want to give you a brief overview on what our real-time rendering plugin for Revit and SketchUp has to offer. If you've already been to the Enscape website, downloaded and run the installer, you'll find a new Enscape ribbon in your Revit interface. This ribbon will give you access to a number of tools you can use to control Enscape. But Enscape really allows you to achieve a beautiful presentation with the click of one button. So, this said, I can just select the 3D view I'd like Enscape to start with, click the Start button and see what Enscape will prepare for us. Here we go! Enscape will read all the material, texture and model information from our Revit project and display it in realistic graphics. I'm moving around by using the WASD keys to move forwards, backwards and sideways, and since I'm currently in fly mode, you can see that in our top right corner, I can also fly upwards by pressing the E key and downwards by pressing the Q key. I can look around by holding the left mouse button and moving the mouse, and I can orbit around certain points in my scene by holding the right mouse button and moving the mouse. If I want to change the time of day, I can hold the Shift key and the right mouse button and move the mouse. Do you see the small clock in the lower right corner? This tells us the current daytime. Also, if you'd like to see a 2D representation of your model, simply press the M key to activate the on-screen map. Enscape is directly connected to Revit at all times, so if we'd like to change anything about our presentation, we can simply do the changes in Revit and Enscape will update the scene immediately. This is true for any material changes, moving objects, changing design options or phases, sun settings and so on. Enscape also has a number of display settings that may prove useful for your presentations. For example, our paper model mode. If you don't want to discuss small details, but rather the rough dimensions of your model, you can simplify your presentation using this setting and even add outlines for a rather sketchy look. Another setting you might want to try is our light view. This will give you a perfect impression on how much lux is falling onto each surface in real time. Of course, if you've set a certain date, time and location for your project, Enscape will display the sun angle correctly depending on where it's located on the planet. Why not even use 360-degree images to place your model right in its future neighborhood? Again, this has only been a brief introduction to Enscape. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any in-depth questions. Visit our forums or our other tutorials for more information. If you haven't tried Enscape yet, visit our webpage and try Enscape 14 days for free.